to you for more on this. For now, we have to quickly shift our focus to the other big story of the day, and INDIA Block's VP pick is filing the nomination, and those are the first set of visuals that we are getting for you at this point in time. INDIA Block, remember, has picked retired Justice B. Sudarshan Reddy as its candidate for the Vice President, and he is filing his nominations for the Vice President elections. There you can see the first set of visuals coming in, and he was accompanied by Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, MPs from the Congress party, including Priyanka Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi also were present there during the nomination filing. Let's go across to my colleague Niyamika, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Niyamika, we are getting visuals of the nomination that's being filed by the candidate that has been picked by INDIA Block for the position of Vice President. Give us more details.
Yes, indeed, sir. We have seen a show strength by the opposition members as well. It is the unity which they are trying to portray by these visuals, as now the nomination has been filed by the opposition candidate Mr. Sudarshan Reddy for the upcoming vice presidential elections. As in this nomination, it is the CBP chairperson Sonia Gandhi who is the main, she was also being present there, as apart from that, the leader of opposition in both the houses, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, along with Rahul Gandhi, were also being present. Sonia Gandhi was the main proposer of the name Mr. Sudarshan Reddy in this nomination for the vice presidential elections. And apart from that, there are many other senior leaders who are being present in this filing of nomination, along as Sharad Pawar can also be seen, Sanjay Raut is also being there. Tiruchi Sevak was one of the nominees of who had signed.
And we can see Ram Gopal Yadav as well from the Samajwadi Party. And like you correctly mentioned, it's a show of strength by the opposition, and visuals are quite interesting there. Thank you, Niyamika, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs.